This was a big dead oak tree. It's been dead for years. As you can see, the sapwood on the outside pretty much all gone. That's the first thing to rot. So looking from the outside in, it looks like the tree is pretty much junk and that there's no usable wood, but as you can see, all the bugs have eaten all this. There's not any structural integrity, but if you look at the actual tree here, the trunk, there's still a lot of usable wood in here, either for firewood, or in my case, I'll probably try to mill it on the sawmill, see what I can get out of it. There's probably about 2.5 to 3 inches of sapwood that was completely rotten around the edge. So this looks like it was a good healthy tree before it died. There's no rot in the center and the pith, just a couple splits, which is pretty normal for an older tree. What I did is I cut a notch and back cut it and then pulled it over with the big rope. That way the tree didn't start moving while I was underneath of it, because all those branches that are dead above can just crack off with a little bit of movement, and we don't want one of those to hit me in the head, because that wouldn't be too good. So I got it kind of primed, pulled it over with the truck the rest of the way, that way nobody was in the area where it was going to fall. So came down perfect. Still some good wood out of the tree. We'll see what we can get out of it.